What if I told you you can create high-quality videos every single day without touching an editing timeline? No cuts, no stress, no "I'll finish this later" that never happens. And the crazy part? Most people are still doing it the hard way. Let's be real for a second. Video creation sounds simple until you actually start. You record, then you have to edit. You write a script, then you hate how it sounds. You try voiceovers, they don't feel natural. And consistency? Almost impossible. That's why most creators quit, not because they're lazy, but because the process is broken. But in this video, I'm going to show you a full system. How to go from idea to published video without editing anything manually. You'll save hours, stay consistent, and finally build a content machine. And yes, this is exactly what we use inside our studio. Section 1. Here's the mindset shift that changes everything. You don't need to edit videos anymore. You need to design systems. Let me explain. Old way. Record, edit, fix, export, repeat, burnout. New way. Script, generate, publish, scale. That's it. And once you understand this, video becomes easy. But wait, if you skip editing, how do videos still look professional? Let's break it down. Section 2. AI script generation. Everything starts with the script. If your script is strong, your video is 80% done already. Now, instead of sitting for hours thinking what to say, you use AI. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini can generate full scripts in minutes. But here's the secret most people miss. Don't just say, "Write me a script." Be specific. Example, write a high-retention YouTube script with hooks every 20 seconds. That's how you get quality. Inside our studio, this is literally the first step. We don't guess content, we engineer it. But a script alone doesn't make a video. What about visuals? Section 3. AI video generation. Now this is where things get crazy. AI can now turn your script into a full video. Tools like Pictory, InVideo AI, and Runway can add stock footage, match scenes to your script, add transitions automatically, generate captions. No timeline, no dragging clips. Just paste your script and it builds the video. And yes, it's not perfect, but here's the truth. Done is better than perfect. Most viral videos today, they're simple. But wait, what about voice? Because that's where most videos fail. Section 4. AI voiceovers that don't sound robotic. Voice used to be a big problem. Either you record yourself and mess up 10 times, or you use robotic AI that sounds like a GPS. But now, tools like 11 Labs and PlayHT sound insanely real. You can choose tone, adjust emotion, clone your voice, and in seconds, you have a clean voiceover. Inside our studio, we test multiple voice files before finalizing. Because voice equals retention. If people don't like how it sounds, they leave. But here's where it gets interesting. What if you don't even want to be on camera? Section 5. Faceless content that still wins. You don't need to show your face to win on YouTube anymore. In fact, some of the fastest growing channels are completely faceless. Think about story videos, educational content, AI explainers, finance channels, all using stock footage, AI voice, plus captions. That's it. And guess what? Most viewers don't care who you are. They care about what they get. Value beats personality, especially at the start. But consistency is still the hardest part, right? Section 6. The consistency engine. Here's why most people fail. They rely on motivation, but systems beat motivation every time. Instead of creating one video at a time, batch everything. Example, Day 1, generate 10 scripts. Day 2, turn them into videos. Day 3, schedule all uploads. Now you're consistent for 2 weeks in 2 days of work. Inside our studio, this is exactly how we handle client content. We don't create daily, we produce in batches. That's how businesses stay visible. But what if you want higher quality without doing it yourself? Section 7. What we actually do differently. Authority integration. Here's the honest truth most AI gurus won't tell you. AI gives you speed, but not always quality. That's where a system and experience matters. Inside Beep10 Studio, here's our workflow. You record or give us an idea. We handle scripting, structuring, pacing. We refine visuals, timing, and flow. Then deliver ready-to-post content. Because businesses don't just need videos, they need videos that perform. That's why many clients don't do it themselves, not because they can't, but because their time is better spent growing their business. Section 8. Common mistakes. Pattern interrupt. Quick question. Are you making any of these mistakes? Over-editing simple videos. Waiting for perfect lighting. Recording 20 takes. Spending 5 hours on one video. Stop. Because the goal isn't perfection, it's momentum. The faster you publish, the faster you learn what works. Mini hook. And this next part? This is where everything clicks. Section 9. The full system recap. Simplified. Let's simplify everything. Step 1. Generate script with AI. Step 2. Turn script into video using AI tools. Step 3. Add AI voiceover. Step 4. Use auto visuals plus captions. Step 5. Batch and schedule content. That's your entire system. No editing timeline, no stress, just output. And once you get used to this, you'll never go back. Section 10. If you don't want to do all this. Now look, you can do all this yourself, but let's be honest, do you really want to? Because setting up tools, testing voices, fixing outputs, it still takes time. And if you're running a business, time is your most valuable asset. So if you'd rather focus on your business and have your content handled professionally, that's literally what we do at Beep10 Studio. We take your ideas, turn them into high-performing videos, and deliver them ready to post. No stress, no confusion, just results. If this video helped you understand how to create videos without editing, hit subscribe, because I'm breaking down AI tools, content systems, and growth strategies every week. Drop a comment. Are you going to try this system yourself or outsource it? And if you want help scaling your content, check the link in the description. Let's build something powerful. Remember, the people winning right now aren't the best editors. They're the fastest creators. I'll see you in the next one.